guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing pupusas.
We're going to do queso. We already have this thing. What's
Loroco.
Loroco.
And
Cheese. And what else?
And he's gonna be mixing that, and I'm gonna be mixing lechuga,
No, repollo.
repollo, con sal y
Orégano.
orégano.
Y abajo tiene cebolla y chile.
Y abajo tiene cebolla y chile para que se lo revuelte, so I just
Lo
mix it.
mezclé.
Yeah, so I just mix it and then that'll be it. So
And guys,
let's get started. But first things first, you gotta wash your hands. We already washed our hands, so we need to wash our hands. But it's very important to wash your hands. So.
it actually feels like actually feels pretty good. But it smells good. That one doesn't.
Actually smells really good.
This one.
Huele rico.
Yeah, smells super good. Look, it has some spicy chile,
yeah, I want
some green
Jalapeno.
chile, some cebolla, and
Tomate.
stuff.
Carrot.
Like it has carrot. My finger is hurting because I just cut it. So
Me too. My finger's hurting. Seriously, I'm not hungry.
okay, so after this, I'm just gonna let this.
Mezcla.
So we have
Some
on the other
chicharrón.
side we have some.
Let me show you.
Go.
We have chicharrón, frijoles, we have salsa, not picante. Some people don't like picante. And this one is picante. Guys, and we here have la masa, so we can scrump it up and put it right there. Yeah, in the stove.
Are you finished mixing?
Almost, right? I want to try chicharrón. Which one is your favorite? Chicharrón?
I like chicharrón. Comment down below which one you want. You like a cheese with loroco, chicharrón, or just frijoles?
I like the chicharrón.
That's not like my favorite.
Revueltas.
Yeah, revueltas.
I don't like revueltas.
Solo puro chicharrón.
Yeah.
Ok.
Okay. Now I'm gonna wash my hands again.
Ok, Ellen.
We wash our hands.
Okay.
I'm good. Okay, what? What is that?
So here we have like 2 bottles. These are my mom makes these. They have we have this here because we
There's
like
chile.
spicy.
There's chile.
We like
I don't
spicy
know
stuff.
that thing. And
We have
onions.
onions, chile, different types of chile like green chile, red chile, orange chile,
Ghost peppers.
ghost peppers, any of those. And then at the bottom we have these like little things.
Cominos.
Cominos, everybody, cominos.
And so my mom put some.
And she
you
shaked
can
it.
see in the side, and you just shake it. So it looks delicious. I tried it, and it's really good.
I haven't tried it.
So.
Okay, what do we do next?
Okay, my mom is gonna show you how you do papoose. We're just gonna see. So wash your hands.
Wait, are we gonna do la masa? Hey, I don't know what to do. Wait, what are we doing?
So we have the non-spicy one and the spicy one. This is just basically like spicy salsa, and then this is not spicy. Some people don't like it spicy. So yeah.
Told them.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, I didn't know.
Hello.
So right here we have arroz.
No, chicharrón.
Por eso arroz y chicharrón.
No, no mezcles porque
Eso no.
estos son frijoles, no es arroz.
Oh, frijoles y después.
Voy a hacer primero solo de queso con frijoles porque tu auntie es alérgica al chicharrón. Y vamos a hacerle a tu auntie primero.
¿Podemos hacer uno?
Sí, primero te voy a enseñar. Mira cómo se hace.
Vale. Primero
I would know how you do it. You do it like a rock.
le echas aceite.
La gente que quiera, no todo.
Ok, una. Ok. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay. And we have here this. And she's gonna put.
Espérate, ya te voy a ir.
I want to do a tiny one. You do skinny as a plateau.
Ok.
Okay.
Can you do something?
That's
¿Van a hacer
one.
una para ustedes? La van a... Ok, poquita más. Tienes que hacerle así, así, y aquí le vas a poner tu comida, poquito. No mucho, porque si le pones bastante no se te va a hacer.
Okay, let's see Elio in action.
Art in action.
Esa es tuya, ¿no?
Focus camera. Oh, that's a lot. You should take a little bit off.
I can't mix it. Go. My finger hurts.
That's too much.
Solo de chicharrón, ¿no? No le echaste queso ni
I
nada.
don't like that so much.
Okay, ready? Okay, now you gotta do it.
¿Qué lleva tu pupusa? Di.
Chicharrón and queso and chicharrón
No, la tuya, ¿qué lleva?
and chicharrón. So chicharrón and queso.
So, lleva de este chicharrón, se mira delicioso.
Just clap it.
Clap it.
Bien, amásala bien, así. Mira,
Amazon.
Eliel, así.
Like that. You're supposed to do it like that, not like
She
that.
broke it though.
Like that. Like that? What is that?
It's on a sushi roll.
What are those? It's alright, it's alright. Well, then that's not right.
I'm bad. I'm bad. Don't make me your chef. I'm bad.
I'm gonna try and make one, but first.
She does it really easy for her.
Come over here.
Okay, I put too much. You're correct. Let's
No,
throw
you
some
still
in.
no. Don't do that.
I don't know what to do.
Just do it.
No te
Mix it.
echaste aceite un poquito. por favor.
Oh.
Tiro?
No, echa aceite. Woo. Échate un poquito de aceite. Don't dab it in. Dab here. Okay, that's it. Now do it.
Eliel, en tu mano, así, mira. Enseña. No, esto no sirve ya, Eliel.
See?
Lávate las manos, no sirve. Lávate las manos.
See?
Okay, so these are how they're supposed to look like, not like what he saw, what he was doing. This is, we can make some of these, or like this with this, or this with that, or this with this.
Get the camera.
Okay.
You're gonna do it now.
Okay, wait.
I wanna hold the camera.
Carla, mira, enseña eso.
No, I wanna hold the camera.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do one. Yeah. Okay.
Espérate, te la voy a preparar yo.
Get
Espérate.
masa.
My mom is going to
Lávate la mano.
prepare it. I'm gonna wash my hands like.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see. Mine is horrible. She's doing hers now.
Yeah, Mama's getting hungry. I know now not to like add a bunch.
Es una buena.
Okay, ¿le echo aceite?
Sí, en tus manos.
I know, because I did horrible that time. I forgot la aceite.
Así.
Oh, okay.
What are you going to put?
I think it was a chicharrón.
Solo chicharron like me. I did it horrible. Whoa, it looks... Oh. Come and look. Come and look in the camera. Oh, it actually looks...
Look.
Oh.
Mine looks okay.
Let's see yours.
Mine looks okay.
Mama's gonna help you.
Mama's gonna take over because...
Because you're bad.
No, because I'm good at it, but I just don't know how to flip it in. That's what I need to know. See, mine was beautiful. Mine was gorgeous. That was gorgeous.
It looks like a tortilla.
It kind of... No,
Can
but
I do mine now?
that looks good.
And then you put aceite.
Yes, put aceite. You're such... I don't want to say
Don't
loser.
tell me.
But like, you kind of are.
I'm such a...
You kind of
No,
are.
no, quiero.
Well, no, it's just...
Estas revueltas son tus favoritas.
A
Revueltas.
mí no me gusta chicharrón. Please that chicharrón.
It's okay, yeah.
Sure.
Ok.
Aceite.
Así, Elian.
Whoa, face.
Así.
Okay, put your
así.
aceite. Okay, now, do it.
Rub it. Rub it, rub it, rub it.
Tampoco
rub
así. Boy. What?
All of yours look horrible.
Mine looks gorgeous. Look at mine and look at that.
Look at those!
You shouldn't be talking.
You neither. And the camera's about to fall.
Oh, sorry.
You broke the camera. And my phone's on it.
I didn't break the camera. What you mean?
No, te quedó.
And you say I'm a coward and you're a coward.